Hello everyone, we are going to take these 4 paper stripes in different sizes and colors and then we're going to paste them together and folding them like this. Then we are going to make 5 more of these and joining all of them together. After that we are going to take these and then taking a paper in square sheet. Now we are going to fold it out like this. Again we are going to make the body of this. Now joining the feathers with the body and now you can see your beautiful bird is completed. Next we are going to take this green sheet in square shape. Then we are going to fold it out into an even smaller square and now we're going to open it from the top and then giving it this diamond shape. Then we're going to fold it out from the downside like this. After that again fold it from the middle. Just follow the steps what we are doing here and eventually you will see that your dragonfly is ready. Now you can make it with any color as per your choice and it looks so good and beautiful. At the last we're gonna also cut it from both of the sides, specify the wings and now you can see it is finally ready. Let's move ahead towards our next craft. Here we have taken this yellow sheet, folding it out into a cylinder, then again repeating the same with the other sheet. Now we're going to join them both along with the legs and then we are going to make the beak of this bird and adding the eyes as well. Then you can see your beautiful birds are completed. Next we're going to take the square sheet in purple color. Then we're going to start by folding it 2 times, then making a beautiful bird by that. Next we're going to grab this pink sheet and first we are going to fold it in half and then folding it to get these types of markings. Then we're going to fold it from both the sides like this and then we're going to start folding it by edges. After that you can see we're going to open it and then again folding it. Just follow the steps to make your beautiful rectangular box. You can make it in any color as per your choice. At the end we are going to add some details as well on it and now you can see it is completely ready and looks so cute. Let's move ahead towards the next craft. Here we have taken the square sheet and then folding it out from 2 sides and then again from the rest too. After that we're going to flip it out and then folding it from the edge 4 times. Now we're going to again flip it and folding it into an even smaller square following the markings. Then we're going to just do this, just follow the steps what we are doing here. Then taking again a sheet and doing the similar step with that. After that we're going to add the purple sheets into the pink and now you can see your beautiful flower is almost ready. At the end we are going to make these spaces between the petals. Now we are going to puff up this. After that we're going to add the handle to our basket and now you can see it is ready and looks so beautiful. You can use it for any purpose as per your choice. Next we are going to take this square sheet with a beautiful pattern and then we're going to fold it once from one side and then making this beautiful postcard with a heart on it and now you can use it for any purpose as per your choice and they look so cool and cute. Next we're going to grab this square sheet and then first folding it out from 2 sides and then opening it to get the markings, then folding it from the one side making some marks and then following that we're going to cut it out, then folding it into a cylinder, adding the axis part inside and now you can see your cup is ready.